Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I am revamping a 1-year-old glueless closure wig, and what we'll be doing is replacing the ball closure with this new HD 5x5 closure. So we're just going to swap it out. So the closure wasn't this chewed. I was actually about to start trolling on IG, acting like I combed the hair out using the razor instead of the comb. But anyways, start by sectioning out the hair and then shave off any remaining hair that's on the closure as I'm doing so. Okay, this step is very important so you lay the closure in the correct location. Take your wig, fold it in half, and then mark off where the center of the closure should be placed. Okay, so grab your closure and you'll do the same thing. Fold the closure in half, and then you just want to mark the center of the closure. This will help you when you place the closure back on your wig. Okay, now grab your wig and pin it at the center of the canvas head. Once the wig is pinned in the center, you'll take your closure and then you'll pin it flat along the closure outline. Make sure the guidelines that you marked on the center of your closure and the center of your wig are aligned. Once everything is aligned and centered, you'll take your T-pins and just pin the closure down around the perimeters. Take your time and make sure the closure is pinned down flat against the wig. Everything looks flat, and it's time to hand stitch the closure to the wig. this step does not have to be perfect. After we hand stitch it, we will go back over using our heavy duty sewing machine to fully secure the closure onto the wig. Alright, so the closure is secure onto the wig. So what we're going to do is unpin the wig and take it to our sewing machine for the final stitch. So don't cut off the old lace just yet. You want to make sure you put that extra stitch in on the sewing machine and then you'll cut it. I'm using my Singer heavy duty sewing machine. I have it set on the zigzag setting. So we'll just go around one time and fully secure the closure. Now grab a pair of scissors, and what you want to do is make sure you take your time and cut off the old lace. Have it a brand new wig for half the cost. You can't tell me this isn't a brand new wig. But off the camera, I bleached, toned, and shampooed the wig, brought it back to life. As you can see, the closure is on nice and flat and seamless and ready for styling. Comment below if you would like to see my customization techniques. But that's it, y'all. Brand new wig. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like for more tutorials. Bye.